If you want to create an invite or create a referral link in order to help somebody to join, you have this menu right at the left, and you have the invite button, and you could just create an invite link and with the defaults, but also there's an option here where you can change the number of uses in case you think you're going to invite more than 100 people. That would be amazing. When does it expire? And you can have people automatically arrive to a post that you created. For example, you just have to put the topic ID under there. You can see we're in topic ID 49 right now, and so that would be an example of they could bring them to here. You would just create that link. And now you have this link, and now if people join the forum via this link, you can paste it wherever you want, then that will be credited towards you. And so that's an important way for you to be earning points and contributing to the ecosystem.